It is always good to start on the side of the truth and always point out, evil when you see one. Welcome back to my channel. I'm not here to cause any problem, but to remind you or refresh your memory on things that some of us seem to have forgotten. A few days ago, I made a video where I pointed out what Royce said on one of his posts, threatening that he's gonna send some people to judgment if they join Biafran Liberation Army recruitment. That's US and the Minister of Defense have called, and that recruitment is ongoing as we are told. Not that I had any intel or somebody told me personally, but if you go to COS handle, you can see that she admit that some people have been recruited and there are none. Some more are still coming. That's what I can tell you. So this guy called kwutebiafra, very, very controversial human being. I don't know him, but after the declaration of Biafra, this handle begin to yap a lot of nonsense. A lot of nonsense stuff have come out from him, even though he don't command followership, but his posts and his videos are being circulated on social media. I think they gave him money to monetize or to push his articles on X, and we are not getting his notification. But one thing I want to say is that he is not making it two persons. Apart from Royce, he is another person that is not making it publicly that he's going to buy or send people to judgment. One thing they have in common is that nobody knows their pictures or their videos or anything at all. You can only see their write-up. I'm not here, like I said, to call for any violence or escalating any issue, but for people to be careful, all right? So that tomorrow, I don't want to hear as a double people or Nigerian Army did this. They are publicly saying that they're going to buy Biafrans. Let's go through his write-up. He said, those following this evil woman, Nkechi Blessing Ezobiaka, a.k.a. Ngozi Orabeze, he even tagged the write-up to COS. If you join this Ebubago terrorist security she want to recruit, I am waiting you animals. I am waiting you animals to come together, because we are saying everything you are doing. What you don't know is bigger than you. So many people that are following Ogengere are threatening a lot of people, and that kind of threatening is not something that people should take lightly. Because why I'm saying this is because we have seen this in the past through the US and some people. When they started threatening, fellow Biafrans, people thought that it's a joke, and they ended up sending many to judgment, allegedly. Okay, because like I said, I am not an insider, but we have some people. We have people that have feed us or tell us, update us on what was going on. So we are aware of people that are being sent to judgment after being threatened. So threatening is not something that at this point in time one may say, okay, it's just a mere talk. I don't think it's a mere talk, and that is why different government and COS and cabinet members need to always keep their eyes open, because the one may decide to lie. One thing I noticed about this particular guy is that he lie a lot. He's the one that made a video where they caught some criminals in the bush with their juju, recruiting people, just 3 people, in the bush, and this guy tagged them that they are from Orabeze group. Any criminal being paraded in Biafran land today, this guy will say is from COS. Even when it's too obvious that it's not. The same thing that DOS have been doing or they've done to PM. How can be following PM when he was going through this pens and this propaganda was, meted on him? It was too heavy. It was too obvious, and they decided not to, learn from that. So it simply means that most of them are not repented. They have not repented. They are still the same thing they were in the US. because many DOS members are now the one working as media warrior for them. Very, very, very clear. And he's here lying. You know, when we counter them with the same measure, the same tone, their members, their followers will come to my comments and, oh, you are being paid agent. How much did she pay you? How much did you how much did he pay you? Oh, this is Kogo. So anybody, if you now that you are supporting Ogenkere, does it mean that he paid you? I don't believe he paid you money. I'm not stupid like you to think that when somebody his or her own opinion, it simply means that person have collected money. No. If you have been paid, it is that one will be very obvious. We can see that most of you don't even have anything, any connection, anybody at all. Just like me, you don't have anyone. But you eager to parade yourself and lie to people that you have everything when you don't have anything. Taking her picture and cross that picture like this and write 419 woman. Remember, you are talking to somebody's mother, somebody's sister, somebody's wife. Even if you don't like what she's doing, be respectful. That's one of the signs to know that you are actually know what you're doing. But you see, when a gangster or somebody who are not well brushed is trying to act or pretend that he knows everything, he knows what you don't know, this is what you get. Tell me what you think about these lies from this guy. Maybe I need to do more video from him to expose one of two things that he have done, or one of his two posts. One or two of his posts, I will try and pick one, and after this I will do my best to go through, because I have seen many lies from him. When I say that he lie a lot, I know what I'm saying, and I will prove it to you. This is number one. Then I'll bring another one for you from his own handle. Thank you.